Destin, the Santa Maria volcano has just erupted. This is the first time since August 22nd, 2013. Santa Maria is located in the western highlands of Guatemala. Everyone needs to evacuate. If you are near, please evacuate to higher ground or your designated areas. Please talk to your local authorities to find your designated area. We now have a reporter at the location of the eruption. Now on to you, Caitlin.
I'm at the site of Santa Maria in Guatemala. It's gotten bad here. People have evacuated, but I've decided to stay and watch the show. Right now, I'm at the coffee plantations where people live. I've talked to a few people from around here, and they said that they've noticed the increased frequency and intensity of the earthquakes around here. But they didn't know that meant the volcano was going to erupt. Since the lava hasn't reached the ground yet, Abigail is going to give you information about the volcano of Santa Maria. I'll be back later.
Here's what the volcano looks like. There are 3 different types of volcanoes, but Santa Maria is a stratovolcano. Volcanic eruptions can produce lava, sometimes lahars, and then procrustic flow, which is a fast-moving current of volcanic ash, gas, and sometimes pumice. Lava will eventually turn into solid rock, so if you have anything you want to try and salvage, please get it now and be safe doing it. The volcanic ash can sometimes cause your breathing to be messed up, so stay awake if you cannot cover your face. Mangroves are popular vegetation around Santa Maria. The last eruption affected human life tremendously. Many coffee plantations were destroyed. 6,000 people died due to the lack of warning. Since you know that it killed many people before, please just evacuate.
Abigail, please come help me. The lava is running down the mountain, and I gotta run for my life.
I'm on my way.
I might swerve in that corner, whoa, whoa.
Hurry, I'm on fire.
I might swerve in that corner, whoa.
Singing in the shower.
You saved my life. Let's get out of here before we both die.
Shut up and drive, drive, drive. Shut up and drive, drive. All the pretty girls walk like this.
Caitlin and Abigail are back. Let's interview Caitlin about her experience. So, Caitlin, what would you rate your experience of traveling to a natural disaster site?
0. I'm never going again.
Okay, that answers our next question.
I quit this job.
No, you can't. What about the next disaster?
You can go. I'm not trying to almost die again.
I'm not going. We're going to have to hire someone else.
All the pretty girls walk like this. Pretty girls walk like this.
Hello, Rhonda. We need to get you suited up to be live at the scene.
I'm at the scene of Santa Maria in Guatemala right now. Most people have evacuated, but I'm still here. And our old employee, Caitlin, or whatever her name was, she got fired because she almost died in the lava. So now I'm here. I need to get out of here.
Take me to the king. I don't have much to bring.
1 week later.
Amazing.
Stay to the bereavement. It's gonna be alright.
She's back!
Yeah. Okay, feel her over. Everybody go. Help me, Jesus. Help me, Jesus.
This is the end of the news broadcast. This is all we have today, guys. Thanks for watching.
I need a good time. Yeah, I've been working all week and I'm tired. I don't want to sleep and I want to have fun. It's time for a good time. Cash my check, clean my truck, put on my hat, forgot about work. Sun going down, head across town, pick up my baby and turn it around. Good time.